Hi, did you request for withdrawal of your funds from Groww balance to your bank account? Let me help you with some very easy steps that you can follow to track your withdrawal request. As a first step, log into Groww app and click on your profile. Now click on the wallet sign where you see your Groww balance. Here on the top right hand corner, you will see all transactions. Click on that. Now go through the list of transactions and click on the withdrawal request that you wish to track. Your withdrawal request will show as initiated till it has been completed. As soon as it's completed, it will be tagged as complete on Groww app. Once a transaction has been completed, you'll receive a notification from the Groww app. You'll also receive an email about the transaction completion. In case you're unable to see the notification or the email, you can use the UTR number mentioned in the transaction to track the status in your bank account. Note that it generally takes about 2 working days for any withdrawal request to reflect in your bank account. In case it's been more than 48 hours since you requested for your withdrawal, you may reach out to your bank to know the status. I hope this was helpful. Bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.